Fitness challenges are all the rage these days. From extreme obstacle course races to intense HIIT workouts, people are always looking for the next big thing to push their bodies to the limit. But are these tough, trendy new workouts really the best way to see results? I decided to find out by going back to basics and trying one of the most effective core exercises of all time, the humble plank. For 30 days straight, I committed to holding a plank for 1 minute every single day. It sounded easy enough, but I had no idea the kind of impact this simple exercise would have on my physique. Read on to find out what happened to my body when I planked every day for a month straight. The first few days of my 30-day plank challenge breezed by easily. One minute felt like nothing. I could have held my plank for ages. The position was familiar and almost comfortable, as I'd done planks many times before in yoga and Pilates classes. Little did I know this was just the calm before the storm. By day 4, I could start to feel the burn creeping in around the 30-second mark. The last 30 seconds became a battle of sheer willpower to stay strong until the end. I started getting excited to see just how much I could improve and hold a minute-long plank with ease if I stuck to this challenge. By the end of the first week, I noticed a marked improvement in my core strength. My abs felt more engaged as I held the plank position, especially as I fought the urge to drop out of it around the 45-second mark. I was so determined to complete the full minute each day. My core muscles were finally being put to work. Outside of my plank sessions, I felt my posture improving and my stomach looking tighter throughout the day. After just 7 days, this simple exercise was already making a difference. I couldn't wait to see how much more toned my tummy would look after 30 days. Halfway through the month, holding a 60-second plank became almost effortless. My core strength had increased drastically and my endurance was through the roof. The exercise that had me shaking and burning after 30 seconds at the start of the challenge was now feeling like a walk in the park. I noticed my jeans were fitting looser around my waist without my stomach pooching over the top anymore. All the extra work my core was put in during the daily planks was clearly slimming my waistline. Still, I knew I couldn't slack off now. I kept pushing myself to maintain perfect plank form for the full minute to reap the most rewards. By day 20, I felt like a core warrior. My stomach looked tight, toned, and more defined than ever. I couldn't believe the transformation this simple 1-minute exercise had made in just 3 weeks. Not only did my midsection look slimmer, but I also noticed my back feeling stronger with better posture. My core was finally starting to look like that of a fitness model. Doing a 60-second plank no longer took any effort at all. I could have held my position for ages. The month was flying by and my body was looking better each day thanks to the magic of daily planks. The last 10 days of my 30-day plank challenge were purely about maintenance. My core strength had peaked and holding a 60-second plank felt like nothing. I had come so far from those first shaky planks to now being able to hold strong for ages. As I looked back over the previous 30 days, I was so proud of the dedication I had put in and the visible results. My stomach was tight and toned, my back felt strong, and my posture was improved. Doing this simple 1-minute exercise every day had transformed my core and my physique. I couldn't wait to share my transformation photos online and inspire others to take the plank challenge for themselves. After completing 30 days of 1-minute planks, I can recommend this simple core exercise enough. It tones, tightens, and transforms your tummy and midsection in no time at all. Who needs fancy gym machines and classes? Stripping things back to a basic plank each day targets your core like nothing else. Now that I've proven the power of planks, I plan to keep this exercise in my daily routine. My body has never felt or looked better thanks to what initially seemed like an easy minute. Put planks to the test yourself and be amazed by the results.